Oh, there we go.
Oh. I had hiccups before and I was like, God, I feel like Holly.
I know it's raining out, but when I'm getting in the car, so I'll just put these on.
Good, yeah.
I'll take the first picture of the camera, look like just left. Eyes wide awake.
Oh, that's how you do. Oh, Daisy. Oh, Daisy. He's a little baby. Isn't he?
Oh. Can we feed him later? Oh. Look at these little hands. His head wrinkling.
Yeah.